Hello everybody, in this video I am going to show you how to add an author to your WordPress blog if you want somebody else to be able to create and publish posts on your blog. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging for around 5 years. Okay, so I'm logged in to the WordPress dashboard, and if we go to the menu here on the left hand side, go to Users, All Users, and you'll see yourself here as the administrator. Now, as the administrator, you are able to do anything. So you are able to publish posts and do everything that you can do here in the WordPress dashboard. However, we can add other users with different permissions, and sometimes we want somebody else to be able to publish posts on our blog, and in that case we can add them as an author, not as an administrator. And as an author, the only thing they are able to do is create and publish posts. To do that, go to Users, Add New, give the new author a username. Now this could be their own name. An email address is required, so you would need to get an email address from the author. And then the first and last name of the person that you're adding as an author. Create a password or click Generate Password. Send user notification. If you want the new author to be sent a notification about the new account you've just set up for them, leave this ticked. And now the important bit, select the role, which is going to be author, and click on Add New User. And here it is. This is the new author, as you can see, role author, and we can edit this and add an image. So you would need to ask for an image that they want to use as their profile image, and this will show up if on your blog post you use an author box at the bottom of the post that gives a little bit of information about the author along with a profile picture. Okay, so that is how you add an author to your WordPress blog.